In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove and empty the drip pan. Let's remove that first. Take that off. And this can fall out, so I just remove that ahead of time. And this just slides out. And that's it. And that slides back in. All right, and then you can dump this out and just insert that back in. And one thing I do want to mention is you have a float here that once this whole reservoir fills up, it's going to show yellow, and you know that it's ready to, or full and ready to remove and dump. And this whole reservoir is a U shape and fills up from the cleaning and excess dripping that comes from this. And when you make coffee in general, it is having that as, I don't know, a byproduct or just excess water that flows into there. So every once in a while that'll fill up. You just want to empty it and you'll be good to go.